So premium iHo transfer foil, this is going to apply all the foil, transfer all the foil's image, also applies like really cool to adhere and encaps a lot of your glitter as well. One. Ooh, and it's go flat right in the nails. You have the clients wants really simple nails, don't want crystal, condensed glue gel. I'm gonna give it a good 2 layer to cap this. You want some crystal on after you apply the top coat. This is the best time for you to apply some crystal if you want to, with no wet top coat. Floating on the top, like this one right there. Why you just such a symbol? Why don't you do it dramatic? Okay. You happy with this? You can key it. If you don't happy, you can add more. See if I can show it better like that.